What made you guys decide to put in pavers in your new house?
Well, I love the look of pavers. I just think it adds a lot to the appearance of the home, and we wanted a nice walkway down to the dock, and I was hoping to also put a fire pit in.
Have you guys haven't even got to use your new paver patio yet?
No, we haven't. I mean, other than to sit out for a couple minutes at a time, it's been way too cold, and my husband's not even here yet. But it is gorgeous, and we've gotten so many compliments on it so far.
What made you guys decide to use American Paving Design? How did you choose?
Our builder recommended American Paver Design. We absolutely trusted our builder and have had nothing but they had nothing but positive experiences with you. So that's why we went.
What do you plan to do in your new backyard paver area?
Well, I plan to spend an awful lot of time out here with my family, my friends, having some drinks by the water, and using the fire pit.
Would you recommend American Paving Design?
Absolutely. It is stunning. I mean, I had an idea of what I wanted. We laid it out there. We went back and forth on the designs, and it looks even better than I expected.